Okay, so number 23. Solve for x in that equation. Okay, so ang first step is to just square both sides. Yes, square agad-agad. So, ganyan ang mangyayari, no? So, sa left side, square mo yung square root. Cancel out yung lahat ng bilin na lang. Kaya ka nang sulod sa square root. So, 5x plus 20. Okay? Dito sa right side, pwede gamitin yung FOIL. Square root of x plus 6 square times square root of x plus 6. Pero ang gamitin na is square multiply times 2 squared. So, square root of x, square ang first. Next is multiply the 2. Square root of x times 6 is 6 square root of x, diba? Times 2. So, multiply times 2. Possible. And then, square ang last term. So, plus 36. 6 times 6 is 36. Now, let's simplify. Oh, so, gano'n na mangyayari, diba? Copy lang yung left. So, equals square root of x squared is x. Tapos, 2 times square root of 6x is 12 square root of 12 square root of x, and then plus 36. Next na step dito is, tingnan mo kung meron pa bang radical signs. Meron pa? Yes, meron pang 12 square root of x. So, ang gagawin natin, i-isolate natin siya sa right side. Meaning, siya lang ang dapat matira dyan. Yung iba, i-transpose natin sa kabila. So, si x, transpose sa left. Si positive 3016, i-transpose sa left. So, this will happen. So, yan ang mangyayari after transposing x at saka 36 to the left. Tapos, si 12 square root of x na lang tira sa right. So, and then simplify. Merong 5x at saka negative x. So, 5 minus 1, that's 4x. And then 20 minus 36 is negative 16. Negative 16 equals 12 square root of x. And then since meron pang radical, let's do another squaring. So, square ulit both sides. So, we'll continue sa left side dito. Actually, before we square, let's tingnan muna natin if merong common factor ang mga numbers. Diba, both 4, ang 16 at saka ang 12 divisible by 4. So, pwede natin i-factor out si 4 dito. So, magiging x minus 4. Kasi 4x divided by 4 is x, tapos negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. Tapos, ito ding 12 can be written as 4 times 3. Anyway, just leave it at that. Na lang. Copy. And then, we divide by 4 both sides. Para dili kay dako ang atong numbers nga square. Divide both sides by 4. Okay, so cancel ang 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 12 divided by 4 is 3 square root of x. And then, ang kabila, x minus 4 na lang. So this is much more manageable. Tapos, square mo both sides. Bakit i-square pa? Kasi meron pang radical sign. Dapat kasi mawala na yung mga radical sign na yan. Okay? So, gagawin ko dito sa left side, Gamitin ko yung square, multiply times 2 squared. Kasi since except yung negative 4 yan, so negative 2 times the first term times the last term plus last term squared. So yan ang mangyayari sa left side. Tapos dito sa right side, i-distribute ko yung exponent, so magiging 3 squared square root of x squared. Diba? So, let's fill that up, yung mga space. So, filled up na siya. So, x squared is, okay, x squared minus 2 times x negative is 2x times 4 is 8x. Plus 4 squared is 16. And then 3 squared is 9. The square root of x squared is x lang. So, we transpose this to the left. So, ang mangyayari, magiging x squared minus 8x minus 9x plus 16 equals 0. So, ganito na siya, no? By the way, bakit ba natin ginawang 0 yung right side? Kasi para standard form. Ginawa natin standard form ang equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So, simplify yung dalawang to. Magiging x squared tapos negative 8 at negative 9, negative 17 x plus 16 equals 0. At gagawin natin, mag-factor na naman ulit tayo. Okay? Ang first step, look at the last term, positive siya. So, either yung factors niya, both positive or both negative. Pero, yung middle term niya is negative. So, ibig sabihin yung factors niya pala both negative. So, ano yung mga factors sa 16? Meron kang 16, 1, 8, 2, and then 4 times 4, tama? And then 2 times 8 was 1 and 16. So, since negative ang middle term, ibig sabihin negative sila, ang mga signs sila. So, negative, negative, and so on. So, dapat ang sum ng factors niya is negative 17. So, let's try this. Negative 16 and negative 1, negative 17. So, this is it. Ito na yung factors niya. Negative 16 and negative 1. So, yan na yan. Ito na yung negative 16 at ito na yung negative 1. So, let's solve that. Diba? So, either x minus 16 is 0 or x minus 1 is 0. So, pag i-apply mo yung zero product property, you get that. And then, so, final answers are x equals 16 or x equals 1. Now, yun na ba yung final answer? Talaga? Actually, ito yung pinaka medyo additional step pag mag-solve ka ng equations involving radical sign. Kailangan mo pang i-check ulit. I-substitute po daw ulit ang mga values dito sa original para malaman kung satisfied ba siya or hindi. Okay? So, let's try x equals 1. Pag substitute natin to dito sa x equals 1, magiging 5 na to. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 20. Tapos ito, 5. 1 pala, sorry. One. So, 5 times, ano bang ginagawa ko? So, pag i-substitute mo ang 1, so magiging 5 times 1, di ba? Plus 20 at ito, square root of 1 plus 6. So, yung 5 times 1 plus 20, bunin mo yung square root nun. Tapos, dito, square root of 1 plus 6. Yung square root of, sa loob ng radicals na dito, 5 plus 20 is 25. So, square root of 25. Equal ba ang square root of 25 at ang, eto, square root of 1 is 1 plus 7. 7. Equal ba? Ito 5, ito 7. Oh, hindi. Hindi sila equal. Hindi siya actually. Itatawag ng ganyan pag makakuha ka ng solution pero hindi naman pala siya nag-satisfy sa original, tawag na extraneous root. Sobra. Extraneous. So, although nakuha natin siya sa pag square-square, actually, dahil sa mga pag square-square. So, hindi. Hindi pala. So, ibig sabihin, root. Root. Ano ba to? So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin siya i-include sa final answer. Next, i-check natin yung x equals 16. So, if x equals 16, nangyayari, 5 times 16. Okay, so square root of 5 times 16 is 80 plus 20. 20 yan. Equal square root of 16 is 4 plus 6 equal ba 2? 20 yan, perma. It's 20. So, 80 plus 20 is 100. So, yung left side dito, square root of 80 plus 20 is square root of 100. Tapos, yung right 10. Square root of 100 equal to 10. So, of course, square root of 100 is 100. Ay, what? No. What are you talking about? Square root of 100 is 10. So, is 10 equals to 10? Yes, it is. So, 10 is indeed equal to 10. So, x equals 6. Ito na talaga yung final answer lang. Ito lang yung answer. So, ito yung isusulat mo sa answer mo. X equals 16 lang. Hindi yung x equals 1 kasi si x equals 1, hindi naman siya nag-satisfy sa original equation. So, the answer for number 3 and the final answer, the only answer for number 23 is 16.